How to purchase Apple product. Everything you love about our store is online. Chat with specialist Apple trade. Apple specialists are here for you. Shopping help, question answer, a friendly help. Apple certified refurbished get special savings on like new product with a 1 year warranty. Find a source. Some stores are temporarily closed and or offering limited services before you visit. Please check your store status. Trade-in values will vary based on the condition, year and configuration of your trade-in device. Additional trade-in values for iPhone require purchase of a new iPhone subject to availability and limits. You must be at least 18 years old to be eligible to trade in for credits or for an Apple gift card. Not all devices are equal for credit. More details are available from Apple's trade-in partner for trade-in and recycle of eligible device. Restrictions and limitations may people apply. Payments are based on the received device matching the description you provide when your estimate was made. Apple reserves the right to refuse or limit the quantity of any device for any reason if in the Apple Store. Offer only available on presentation of a valid photo ID. Value of your current device may be applied toward purchase of a new Apple device. Offer may not be available in all stores. Some stores may be additional requirements. AT&T special offer $150 Apple iPad will credit offer limited time offer through June 27, 2021. Require new postpaid tablet line requires buying a new Wi-Fi plus cellular iPad from Apple retail or apple.com. Certified or refurbished device are excluded. A required tablet line postpaid data service required minute $10 for new tablet within 14 days of shipping date. Existing customer can add it to eligible current plans which may be less. If service is cancelled, credit will stop. Apple may provide certain information about your device and purchase to AT&T to facilities and verify your eligibility for the special offer. Activation fee 30 each will credits start within 3 bill cycle. Will receive catch-up credits once credit starts applied in equal amounts to device over entire agreement term and will not exceed $150 to get all credit. Discounted device must remain on agreement for entire term and you must keep eligible service on device for entire installment term. If you cancel service on credits will stop may not be combined. Certain other offers discount or credit subject to wireless customer agreement to ad.com VCA. Service not for resale deposit. Service deposit may apply. Limits purchase and line limits apply. Credit approval activation up to $45 line and other fees. Advance payment and other charges apply. Additional monthly fees and taxes apply per line and include regularity cost recovery fee $1.50, administrative fee $2 and other fees which are not government required surcharges as well as taxes. Additional one-time fees may apply. See www.adt.com mobility fees for more details. Coverage and service not available. Everywhere you get an off-net roaming usage allowance for each service. If you exceed the allowance, your service may be restricted or terminated. International and domestic off-net data may be at 2G speeds. Other restrictions apply and may result in service termination. Pricing, promotions, programming terms and restrictions subject to change and may be modified and or terminated at any time without notice. AT&T service is subject and AT&T network management policies. Sees AWT.com broadband info for details. Pricing, promotions, terms and restrictions subject to change and may be modified or terminated or at any time without notice. Reason special offer get $200 gift card, $200 gift card limited time offer through June 2021. Teamwile and Sprint Special Trade in offer get 200 back on any iPad purchase from the Apple Store and Apple.com via rebate with virtual prepaid card when you add a mobile internet line of 10 GB or more. Available at participating Apple Store locations and Apple.com. Tax on pre-rebate price due to ad sale limit and PayPal.com. Tax on pre-rebate price due to ad sale qualifying credit, new mobile internet line 10 GB or higher, activation and redemption required if you have cancelled lines in past 90 days. You may need to reactivate them first. Apple may provide certain information about your device and purchase to team while Sprint to facilitate and verify your eligibility for the special offer. $200 rebate via virtual prepaid MasterCard, which you can use online or in store via accepted mobile payment apps. No cash access and expire in 6 months. Card is issued by Sunrise Banks in NA, a member FDIC Incorporated. MasterCard is a registered trademark or MasterCard International Incorporated. Use of this card constitutes acceptance of the terms and conditions stated in the cardholder agreement. Lines must be activated and in good standing when card is issued, allowing 6-8 weeks fulfillment of offer requirement. Max 12 account may not be combined with some offers or discount.